Hello cookies, it's Iry, I am back, and today I'm going to show you how I edit pet photos. Talking about pets, Talos is around just doing his thing, so if you hear some weird noises, it's him. I decided to actually film the whole process, so I have a very long video of a few hours, and I'm wondering if I'm going to show it or if I'm just going to stick to this really quick version. So this is usually what I do for an Instagram photo. Some of you used to follow Yokai on Instagram, and I used to edit his photos as well before I posted them. And I have different types of edits depending on if it's going to be on for big prints, as in like family photos that are very huge for the living room, or if it's just going to be for Instagram. So when it's for Instagram, I just do a quick light version. I call it light version, even though it probably takes me something like 4 to 5 hours to edit the photo, while if I go really in depth, it can take me 2-3 days, and that's for when I need to have a really big photo and I want every single detail to be very clean and taken care of. Now the thing is, I like my pet photos to actually look like nothing has been done to them, and Talos is circling me now like a shark, so you can hear his paws just going left and right because John is outside cutting some wood and he wants to join his daddy, of course, and he's just here, you know, whining and wanting to go out, but we're going for a walk now. And I was saying that I prefer my photos to actually look realistic. So even though, yes, I don't have the skill to create those overly shiny and very sleek oil painting looking like photos of pets, I actually do not really like that style. I like my photos very sharp and very clean, and it looks like you took the photo with your phone really quick, but actually there is a lot of work behind it. And now Talos is sounding like the world is going down, but John is just outside. Talos! Talos, what will you do, baby? Now he's staring at me and thinking, oh, I want to go out with daddy. So yes, cookies, this is basically what I usually do, and I hope you enjoy it. Let me know if you want to see the whole version, as in the full recording. I recorded it with sound and with all my mistakes and the things that I did wrong, the things that I did right, and I'm not a professional by any means, so it might look quite wonky. But if you want the full version, you can get it. I think the full version would be for people who actually really want to see the process and the thinking, and people who are really newly beginners. Because, for example, I explain how to duplicate layers, how I use some tools, how I decrease the size of some brushes. So very basic stuff that I just figure out as I go through. I don't have any particular plan. As long as I see some type of part of the photo that I want to change, I just try different tools. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. So let me know if you want to see the full version. That is probably going to be 1.5 hours or 2 hours, even if I try to cut it, because the full version is 6 hours, so I don't think I'm going to upload that. And that's it for me today. I will see you soon, cookies. Bye!